Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to give you the solutions for week 2 assignment of database management system course. So let's see the first question. So they gave a SQL query for creating a table. So they are asking which of the following SQL command will result in an error. So the answer for first question is option D, because if you see the query, the name should be like y should be the last letter in the given name, but in fourth option Anandi only there is no y in the ending, there is only I, so it is the uh, wrong query. It means it produces an error. So first question answer is option D. So for second question, they gave two relations. In the first table style name, there are two columns, element and style, and second table print style, there are again two columns, element and color. The question is, we have to find names of the element that has style without any color. That means we should not consider this table because it has color. So we should consider this table, and we should ignore the matching elements that are same in both the tables. That means we should output the elements which are exist only in table 1 but not in table 2. So for that, the probable answer could be second option. Friends, most of these questions are tested, and the remaining 20-25% questions we can just see and tell by looking at the given options. In that way, the probable option could be option B, because here we are selecting the element from style name, that means the first table but not in the second table. So second answer could be option B. And moving on to third question, suppose table 3 having columns A1, A2, A3, that means A1, A2 and A3. By using what is the out of natural full outer join of table 1 and table 2? So if you look at it, the A1 column is common for both the tables. So in order to join the common column, we have 5 as common. So the probable output could be like this: A1 5, A2 7, A3 4. So the probable answer, there are two answers. There is possibility to the first one is option A. Table 3 does not contain 5 7 null and 2 3 7, because they did not exist in this probable table. And the other answer could be option C. Table 3 contains 5 7 4 but not 2 3 null and 3 null 7. So I hope the answers are A and C. Friends, if you have any doubts regarding the solutions, please comment in the comment section. So we'll try to discuss and give the final solution. I hope all these solutions are correct. Most of these are tested. And moving on to fourth question. So I have actually created two tables and I have executed this query. Then I got the answer as option A. That means 8 4. So mark directly option A for fourth question. Moving on to fifth question. So this question is also executed. So I got the answer for fifth question as option A, lab 2, lab 7 and lab 5. That means first option. So mark option A. And next question, that is sixth one. Generally see that here budget means a table, month and expense are the columns. in the code, if you see that if expense is less than maximum of expense, that means for every column which is less than the highest expense, that means except the maximum value in the expense, remaining all expenses are taken as a list. That means second highest to the starting from second highest to remaining all expenses, we will select maximum of the those remaining expenses. That means second highest expense will be the output we will get. So the probable answer, by seeing the code, we can say that it could be option B, find second highest expense from the budget, because here we are comparing with maximum expense of all the expenses. So for every expense which is less than the maximum, we take as a list and we will compare, or we can find the maximum expense in the remaining list. So we will get the second highest maximum. That means option B. Moving on to the seventh question. So by we can tell that here the name should not be Rathod, and it should be like a character should be in between the letters, but a should not be in the ending. So in the C option they gave Rathod, so it is directly wrong. And also in the name Smriti there is no a at all. It mismatches with this. So option B is also wrong. Remaining option A and option D. So if you see this, Arjit Ray is not given in option A, but it also has A but not last letter, so it satisfies this. So option D could be the probable answer by taking a look at it. So option D could be the probable answer for seventh question. Moving on to eighth question. So friends, I have tested this, then I got the answer for eighth question as option B. So mark option B as correct answer for eighth question. Moving on to ninth question. So when we did this in ninth question, we got the answer option D. That means fourth option. Option D is the right answer for ninth question. Moving on to the final question, that is 10th question. So the answer for 10th question, actually there are two answers. The first one is option B and the other one is option C. Both B and C are correct answers. So mark option B and option C. So friends, these are the solutions regarding week 2 DBMS assignment. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section, and try to refer to this video comments once again before submission day, because if I make any changes I will update it in the comment section and also on the thumbnail of the video. So once again visit back to this channel and see the comments. So keep supporting us like this. Until then, thank you, goodbye.